nooy cologne lang. Ngayon ay may sarili ng line ng timepiece si Richard Gutierrez sa bench na inulunsad nitong Lunes.
Nagpapasalamat nga ako sa bench because they gave me the creative freedom to design the watch, to really be in part of processing the watch and manufacturing it. So 8 months ang tinagal nito. Yung idea na ito last year pa.
In the same manner that Richard enjoys the same creative privilege bilang paghahanda sa pinakamalaking proyekto ng GMA in 2011, ang ikalawang sultada ng Captain Barbell na una na rin niyang ginampanan.
And I'm very thankful sa GMA7 because they're entertaining my ideas. Gusto natin na mas maganda pa dun sa nagawa natin, di ba?
Nasa planning stage na rin daw ang reunion movie nila ni Marian Rivera. Hopefully, GMA Films Valentine offering next year.
We're still finalizing it. I'll be happy because I've worked with her before. I enjoy working with her.
Bilang artista, kailangan flexible ka eh. Hindi kailangan isang leading man lang o isang partner lang, di ba? Kahit sino talaga pwede mo makapareha.
Hindi ko pa alam ang leading lady. Hindi pa kasi confirm. Pero ang movie tuloy-tuloy yun.
Pero okay ho sa inyo ko si Marian.
Okay lang sa akin. Walang problema.
Sana walang intriga, sana walang negative.
Kamakailan na pabalitang ikinainis umano ng kanyang inang si Annabel Rama ang umano'y pambabypass sa kanya ni Bianca King for her music video that she directed herself. Bianca engaged the services of Richard to be Francesca Farr's leading man.
Walang ganun. Initially lang yan pero naayos din kagad.
Samantala, nakasanayan na taon-taon ng pamilya Gutierrez na kumpleto sila sa Pasko. Kasama ang kanilang mga tauhan at kasambahay na binibigyan nila ng mga regalo. But will Christmas be more special to Richard na nauugnay ngayon kay Sulen Yusaf?
Tingnan natin, syempre, as we approach December, mas magiging hectic yung schedule ko. Of course, I wanna spend time with all of my friends and family, pero let's see. I wanna keep you guys on your toes and keep you guys excited, so let's see.
Totally exciting! American Idol finalist David Archuleta at Charisse Pempeco close daw sa isa't isa. Next na yan!
Sound like you know her very well.
Yeah, I've gone to just talk to her every now. I keep in touch with her every now and then, and I will be seeing her Sunday.